In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do your BAS in Xero. Whether you're a small business owner or someone managing the finances for a larger organization, keeping on top of your business activity statement, or BAS, is crucial. Xero is a powerful accounting software that makes this process straightforward and manageable. Let's dive into the steps to ensure that you're handling your BAS efficiently and correctly. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Xero account. If you haven't done this before, make sure you have your login credentials handy. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're accessing the correct account, especially if you manage multiple businesses within Xero. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here, you'll find the Reporting tab, which is your gateway to all the important financial data you need to manage your business. Click on Reporting to continue. After clicking Reporting, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select All Reports. This section is quite comprehensive. It houses all the reports Xero can generate for you. Selecting All Reports opens up a list of various report types available, giving you a full view of your financial activities. Now, with the list of reports in front of you, you can see everything from profit and loss statements to cash summaries. But today, we're focusing on BAS, so you'll want to spot the specific report that pertains to it. Review your options carefully, as this will also help familiarize you with other possible reports you might need in the future. As you navigate this section, it's helpful to remember that the visual layout can vary slightly depending on any updates Xero might roll out. However, the core functionality and steps generally remain the same, so don't worry if things look a bit different from what you might have seen before. Once you've located the correct BAS report, you can start reviewing the details. This report will give you insights into your business activity in the context of tax obligations. Make sure to go through the numbers thoroughly, ensuring everything aligns with your records. It's crucial to verify the accuracy of these figures, as any discrepancies could lead to issues down the line, especially when it comes to tax season. In summary, accessing and managing your BAS in Xero involves logging in, navigating to the reporting section, selecting all reports, and then locating your BAS report. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, more organized financial management process. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps simplify your accounting tasks in Xero.